It was people like this, Henry, leather pants on, wraparound shades, and Stewart looking like wild in a leather jacket. And I was just this kid from Newcastle. I didn't know nothing. So I felt like I was out of place, and I was just going along with it. I was sort of humoring them, but I had nothing else to do.
I can't think of any other French guitarist that came to London and played with the Police and then played with people from the Blockheads and the Clash.
Henry was our connection to the scene. He had this engaging personality and an indefatigable stamina. He would be the last man standing at any bar in London.
It's okay, Henry. Your secret is safe.
Very sexy man, if I remember rightly.